I've got an opportunity of a lifetime. I get to use this early 1990s LT15 Wood-Mizer. It needs some love. I need to do some modification, not modification, some repairs, oil change, blades, get it set up at my place. But Sawmill's coming to the homestead. How about that? He's built this whole shop right here, sawmill shed is what he calls it, with this LT15. He built another building back here too. Pretty neat, simple design. Board and batten, I believe that's what we're going to end up doing. We couldn't afford a red iron shop. Price kept going up and up and up. So anyways, here we are. Watching for snakes, guys. That is an old piece of equipment there. Not 100% sure what it's for. Probably corn or something. It's hay. There's still hay in it. That is really old. Iron wheels. Look at the old motor. Mosquitoes are getting me. I'm trying to watch where I walk. It is extremely hot, dry, and the snakes are all over the place looking for water. Anyways, we're gonna get back to this, and probably gonna move it this weekend. I come over to kind of disassemble it, get a game plan. That's 16 foot of bed. He's got one more extension right here. Those are some new blades, but obviously they're all rusted over, so I don't know if I'm going to clean them or just order new ones. But I still got to get this thing cleaned up, get the maintenance done on it, all that stuff. But when we get back to the house, get it set up, start pretty much, I wouldn't say rebuild this. This thing's pretty solid, but get it back into operation. Can you get through?
I think so.
I can move it up. Don't mess up that part of the truck. Yes or no?
I don't know.
Baby,
But
go move that truck.
I got it.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Alright.
Got it. I was in that building behind us.
Uh-huh.
Being nosy. And they like stared out of the squirrels.
Oh, there's a squirrel in there?
Yeah.
So one of these I can't find. These are what they sit on. Levelers. Somewhere in there. I've already dug around to find it. So basically, I'm going to pull the tractor right here. We'll put them straps over the forks. I'll lift it up and then maneuver it out.
Okay.
We'll just kind of see how it goes from there.
Okay.
let me, all right, get your new mark.
Okay.
All right.
It's like 6'10".
So it would fit.
Sunday toast.
I don't like that. He said that was a 20-foot trailer. Not a 20-foot trailer.
How long does that piece go?
This is 16 together. Well, it may be just a hair over 16. That top, I'm gonna get it from underneath here. Alright. Get on this side.
So you're trying to get.
So I'm gonna come straight in.
Yeah. I'm trying to figure out what you're trying to.
I'm trying to put like this on that side and on that side. Okay?
Before these. Thank you.
Okay. I'm gonna come in like this. So it's gonna go that way.
Okay.
It's gonna go that way. That's my goal.
Okay.
And I'll just see how far I can go in and see if I can get it back a little bit.
Can I bring this over?
guys, well, we got it loaded up. Took a little effort, trying not to tear it up. Thanks to my wife, she did it all.
Yeah.
Anyways, we're gonna come up here to the other truck, strap it down, and get back down to Louisiana. See y'all when we get it ready to unload it.